How to buy Super Chat on YouTube Live via iPhone. Want to highlight your message during a live stream? Here's how to purchase a Super Chat on YouTube Live using your iPhone. First of all, open the YouTube app from your home screen. Then join a live stream that has Super Chat enabled. I don't think this chat has Super Chat enabled, so make sure you go to one. Choose Super Chat. In the live chat, tap the dollar icon to access Super Chat options. Choose Super Chat, select the amount that you like to contribute and add your message. Confirm your purchase using Apple Pay or your linked payment method. Your Super Chat is now highlighted in the live chat, making your message stand out. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.